In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your Canva presentation with Zoom. This is an excellent tool for anyone looking to enhance their virtual presentations by combining the design capabilities of Canva with the versatility of Zoom. Let's dive right in and get started on creating a seamless presentation that you can share with others. Begin by preparing your Canva presentation. Once you have your slides ready, select Present in Canva. It might seem straightforward, but this button is essential for displaying your content in full. It opens your presentation in a dedicated view, free from any distractions, and ready to engage your audience. Next, you'll want to make use of the presenter view in Canva. Clicking on presenter view brings up a host of useful features like speaker notes and a timer, which can be invaluable during your presentation. It not only helps you stay on track and manage your time effectively, but also provides a private interface where you can view upcoming slides and prepare your talking points in advance. With your presenter view set up, hit present again to transition your presentation into full screen mode. This is vital for ensuring that your focus stays on the content itself and not on the editing tools or the Canva interface. You'll have a clean and professional display, just as you would in a traditional physical presentation setting. Now it's time to incorporate Zoom into the process. Open the Zoom application on your device and navigate to the share screen option. This is where you get to blend the best of both worlds. Choose to share your entire screen or just the application window with your Canva presentation. Sharing only the application window can help keep your desktop free from any interruptions or unwanted notifications, maintaining a smooth experience for your audience. Once your screen is shared, you are ready to start recording your presentation. Utilize Zoom's recording feature to capture not just your slides but also your narration and any accompanying video feeds. Remember to test your microphone and webcam setups beforehand to ensure the audio and video quality meet your expectations. You want your viewers to focus on the content, not be distracted by technical difficulties. As you present, keep in mind the value of engaging storytelling and clear communication. Speaking naturally and confidently will resonate with your audience, making your recorded presentation both informative and enjoyable. After finishing, remember to stop the recording and save it in a location that's easy to access. Your recorded presentation can now be shared with colleagues, students, or anyone else who might benefit from your expertise. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to recording your Canva presentation with Zoom. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to give it a try. With these tools at your fingertips, you're ready to create compelling presentations that leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting!